Hi, and welcome. Join the Spotify playlist for free to follow along. Gently close your eyes to begin. We're going to be taking 4 inhales and 4 exhales using a 4 count breath. Inhale through your nose, 2, 3, 4. Exhale, 2, 3, 4. Inhale, 2, 3, 4. Exhale, 2, 3, 4. Take 2 more on your own. Today's practice is about surrender and letting go, studying of one's self and observing without judgment, and building self-awareness. Understand surrender isn't losing, it's letting go of what we can't control. Set an intention for your practice today. And when you're ready, gently open your eyes. And on your next inhale, lift your hands up to the heavens and then stretch to your right. Inhale, 2, 3, 4. Exhale, 2, 3, 4. Your next inhale, come up to neutral. Then exhale to the left. Inhale. Exhale. Inhale to neutral. Exhale to your right. Inhale to neutral. Exhale to your left. And on your next inhale, I want you to join me on all fours for our first cat-cow. Hips over knees, shoulders over wrists. Ensure your posture is correct. Straight back. Inhale, lift your chin, arch your back. Exhale, round your back, tuck your tailbone. Inhale, lift your chin, arch your back. Exhale, round your spine, tuck your tailbone. Again. Now on all fours, lift your right hand and thread it through and underneath your left arm. Inhale. Exhale. Feel your shoulder and your ear and temple on the ground, taking your own inhales and exhales here. Your next inhale, lift your hands back, all fours. Now lift your left hand and do the opposite. Thread it under your right hand. Again here, shoulders and temple on the mat. Exhale. Inhale. Feel the stretch in your back. Allowing yourself to surrender. Lift back up and walk your hands forward. Hips stay over knees. Inhale, lengthen spine. And exhale as you melt the chest to the floor. Surrender here. Option to place a blanket under your knees if you need more support. Inhale and exhale. On your next inhale, I want you to bring your shoulders and hands back to the neutral. Tuck your toes and send your hips high. Exhale, pressing your hands into the mat, a slight bend in the knee. You can begin to pedal your feet. Toes can go up here, whatever feels good. Inhale, exhale. And on your next inhale, look up in the front of your mat, step your right foot forward, and bring your left up to touch as well. Inhale, halfway lift. Exhale, forward fold, grabbing the corners of your elbows and just swinging your head and shoulders left to right, stretching the back, stretching the hamstrings, inhaling and exhaling here. Inhaling, I want you to come up one vertebrae at a time, reaching your hands overhead, taking your time, moving slowly. Feet are going to be grounded on the mat, rooted through your feet, reaching your arms up. Exhale, extend your right leg back at a 45-degree angle, pressing into your left leg. Hands reach overhead, back is straightened. First warrior one. Feel that strength in your legs. Inhale and exhale. On your next inhale, open your warrior up. Your arms and hips are out. Your gaze is over your left fingertips, strong in your right leg. Inhaling and exhaling here, softening your jaw. Exhaling, we're going to reverse that. Placing your hand on the back of your leg, reaching your left hand overhead. Breathing here. And then inhaling. That forearm comes over your left leg and the right hand overhead. Inhale and exhale. Take your time here. Coming back to warrior two, you're going to step your right foot to meet your left foot. We're going to come back up to our mountain pose, hands to heart center. What we do on one side, we must do on another. So now inhale, reach your hands overhead, and now step your left leg back, 45-degree angle, bending in your right leg for our warrior. Being strong here, feeling your feet and your power in your legs. Inhale. And on your next exhale, open your warrior for warrior two. Gaze over fingertips, shoulders down, bending more if it's in your practice in the right leg. Inhaling and exhaling. Your next inhale, reverse that. Left arm to left leg, Right arm overhead, feeling the stretch in your right oblique. And inhaling, coming back to warrior two and keep it moving. Right arm, forearm on right thigh, left arm over left ear. Gaze is towards the heavens. Strong in your base with your right leg and your left leg at a 45-degree angle. Your next inhale, come back up. Step your left foot to meet your right. Hands overhead, hands to heart center. Ground here. And your next inhale, spread the feet wide along the side of the mat. And exhale, I want you to bring your hands to your hips and begin bending and reaching forward, your chest forward. Inhale, let the head hang low if it feels good. Option for blocks here to support. Or you can allow your hands to just reach towards the mat. Imagine letting go of what's been holding onto you or what's been feeling heavy. Inhaling and exhale. Your next inhale, I want you to come down to a seated position. Inhaling, sit down. Exhale, sides of feet touch. You can have an option for the blocks underneath your legs for extra support. And I want you to inhale and sit tall. Adding your exhale. And you can exhale and begin to reach from the hips and folding over towards your feet. Keeping with your inhales and exhales. Your next inhale, come back up, remove your blocks if you use them. And I want you to inhale and lay on the mat with your knees bent. Taking your time. And on your next exhale, I want you to press your feet into the mat. As you inhale, then squeeze your glutes up, pressing your hands and shoulders into the mat. Option to interlace your hands as well. Your knees should be straight. Inner thighs and outer thighs should be engaged. Pressure should be on your shoulders. An option to have a blanket under your shoulders. Welcome to our bridge pose. Inhaling and exhaling here. Option to place a block under your sacrum as well if it's too much pressure. allowing yourself to surrender. You can now remove that block if you had it. And as you take your inhales, I want you to move your knees to the right, feeling that stretch. And now have your left arm to your opened up and your gaze to the left. Inhaling and exhaling here. It feels so good to stretch, y'all. And when you're ready, bring your knees to center. And let's do the same thing on the other side. Have our knees to the left, gaze over our right shoulder, and option to extend your right hand out as well. Let it feel good. Inhaling and exhaling here. Don't forget to breathe. And gently bring your knees back to neutral. Extend your legs for a final resting pose. Get comfortable. Can grab a blanket, can grab a pillow, whatever feels good, or just simply lying your mat, surrendering and melting into the mat, admiring the work that you did today. Take a time to just listen to the music and breathe, inhaling and exhaling here. Gently open your eyes, wiggle your hands, fingers, and toes, and sit up with me. All right. Thank you so very much for joining me in today's practice. I'm Fatima, here to help high achievers restore peace, ease, and purpose by helping you all to connect to your bodies. If you like this, see the High Achiever Yoga's playlist. Until next time, namaste.